How to make Google Chat work for you. While many people love using Google Plus Chat to communicate with friends and family, the platform has a few flaws. One of the main issues is that when people don't log in on their desktop or smartphone but are logged into Chrome or any other Google-powered browser, the notifications right next to their messages disappear. This can be both frustrating for you as it can make your chats hard to access and for the person you're chatting with. There's not much you can do about this situation on your own, but I'll share some of my tips with you. Why are chatbots so popular? Google Chat is one of the most popular chat platforms on the internet. It's easy to use, has a wide range of features, and supports both text and video chat. Plus, it's free. One reason why chatbots are so popular is because they can be used for a variety of purposes. Some people use chatbots to manage their personal finances, others to find jobs, and still others to communicate with loved ones. If you're looking for ways to use Google Chat to your advantage, read on for some tips on how best to do so. When you first sign up for Google Chat, you'll be asked to create a profile. This profile will give you access to all of the features of Google Chat, as well as your contacts. You can add contacts by using the Add Contact button in the sidebar or by using the People tab in Gmail. Once you have added your contacts, you can start talking with them by using the Talk to button on the sidebar. If you want to start chatting with someone who isn't in your contact list, you can use the invite. What are chatbots? Chatbots are computer programs that can be used to simulate conversation with a human user. They can be used in a variety of ways, including customer service, marketing, and automation. There are a number of different chatbot platforms available, and each has its own set of features and functions. To get started, you'll need to decide which chatbot platform best suits your needs. Google Chat is one of the most widely used chatbots. It's free, easy to use, and comes with a wide range of features. For example, Google Chat can be used to send messages, create groups for discussion, and join chat rooms. It also has a built-in translation tool and support for voice recognition. There are a number of other chatbot platforms available, including Facebook Messenger, Kik, and AOL Chat. Each has its own set of features and functions. It's important to decide which platform best suits your needs before starting your project. How do Internet users interact with chatbots? Google Chat is a chat application that allows Internet users to communicate with each other through text messages. Users can chat with each other by typing messages and responses. The chat application works similar to email applications, where users can send and receive messages. Users can also use the chat application to access websites. One of the best things about Google Chat is that it is available on many devices. Google Chat is available on computers, smartphones, and tablets. Google Chat also works on many platforms, such as Apple iOS, Android, and Microsoft Windows. Google Chat is one of the most popular chat applications because it is easy to use and it has many features. For example, Google Chat allows users to video call other Google Talk users. Additionally, the chat application has a feature called Hangouts which allows users to communicate with friends over the internet. How does Google help companies and individuals grow their audience with chatbots? Google Chat is a chat app that allows users to communicate with other people in real time. Through the chat app, businesses and individuals can grow their audience by having conversations with potential customers or clients. Google offers a number of different tools that help businesses and individuals to increase their interaction with their followers through chatbots. One of the most popular tools that Google offers is the Chatbot Builder. The Chatbot Builder allows businesses and individuals to create a basic bot without having any programming experience. The Bot Builder includes templates that help businesses and individuals to create a bot that looks professional. Additionally, the Bot Builder includes tools that help businesses and individuals to track how many interactions their bot has had. Through the Chatbot Builder, businesses and individuals can also create advanced bots. Advanced bots are more complex than basic bots and include features such as natural language processing. Advanced bots allow businesses and individuals to interact with their followers in a more personalized way. Additionally, advanced bots allow businesses and individuals to track how much money they are spending on chatbot costs. Google also offers a number of resources to help businesses and individuals interact with their followers through chatbots. One of these resources is the Google Assistant Bot Development Tutorial. Convincing your audience to use a chatbot Google Chat is a great way to communicate with others without having to leave your desk. But what if you don't want to use it? How can you convince your audience to switch over to Google Chat? Here are a few tips. Create a chatbot mascot. This can be anything from a simple GIF to an animated avatar that represents your chatbot. If people know and trust your chatbot, they will be more likely to use it. Make sure your chatbot is super easy to use. Make sure all the features are self-explanatory and that the user interface is intuitive. Make sure all the buttons are big and in easy reach, so users don't have to waste time figuring out how to use it. Enable voice input and audio playback. This will allow users to type without having to look at their keyboard, and they can also listen to the chatbot's voice while they are typing. This will really add an immersive experience for users and make them feel like they are talking with a real person rather than a computer program. Building the bot framework. Google Chat has been around for almost 10 years now and its popularity speaks for itself. If you're looking for an easy way to interface with other users of the service, or to develop a bot yourself, then this is the right way. Blog section is for you. In this blog post we'll be taking a look at how to build a rudimentary bot framework in Google Chat. We'll be using Node.js as our platform of choice, but the concepts and code base should be generic enough to be applied to any chat platform. Let's get started. Requirements: a Google account or an account on a compatible chat server. Node.js, https://nodeedges.org/n/download/ Google Chrome, https://developer.google.com/chrome/tools/chrome developer/. The require module, https://nodeedges.org/n/package/required. Chat modules, http://code.google.com/p/google API python/wiki/number chat_modules. Once you create an engaging bot system. If you're anything like me, you're constantly hopping between different apps and channels to communicate with friends and family. Between texting, IMing, messaging groups, and social media platforms, it can be hard to keep up with everything. That's where bots come in! Bots help us automate our communication by providing a simple interface for sending and receiving messages. Not only are they really convenient, but bots can also be really fun to use. Bots can be used for all sorts of things, from ordering pizza to checking the weather. If you're looking to create the bot system of your own, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure you have the right tools. Bots require some basic programming skills, so make sure you have access to a text editor like Notepad and an internet connection. Second, think about what you want your bot to do. Some popular bot tasks include sending mail notifications, contacting customer support, and interacting with social media accounts. Be sure to specify all your needs in the bot's code so that it runs smoothly. Finally, make sure your bot is engaging. People love using bots that are interesting and helpful, something that might take. Tips and tricks for creating engaging conversational interfaces using Google Chat can be a great way to stay in touch with friends and family, especially if you have trouble staying on the phone for long periods of time. However, Google Chat can be frustrating if you don't know how to make it work for you. In this article, we'll cover some tips and tricks for using Google Chat to your advantage. 1. Use Google Chat for quick messages rather than long conversations. If you only need to communicate with someone briefly, using Google Chat is a much faster way than trying to talk on the phone. Plus, since you can reply to messages quickly, you won't keep your friends waiting too long for a response. 2. Use HOTS to speed up your messaging process even more. If you're a keyboard enthusiast, you'll love the fact that Google Chat lets you use HOTS to quickly send messages without having to type everything out manually. Just use the shortcut keys letter by letter, e.g., Ctrl+A will insert hello, and Ctrl+V will insert goodbye, and you'll be up and messaging in no time. 3. Be polite and helpful when messaging others. Whether you're chatting